What is up, you guys? Back on the channel with another video. Today I got the assembly of the Church Boys triangulated 4-link kit on Pete's 1963 Nova. This is going to be a quick video, guys. I did a lot of time lapse. I kind of wanted to get this thing on the ground today. I had some other plans and then things got canceled, so I ended up working a full day, but I still ended up time lapsing everything, and I just got the car on the ground faster. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to like, subscribe, share it with your friends, share it with your mom, share it with your pop. And don't forget to head over to my Instagram page. It is Murillo Fabworks on Instagram, as well as TikTok. Make sure to follow me there, guys. All right, you guys, so that's a wrap on Pete's car, at least the suspension. Still got some stuff I got to do in the cab, but look at these tires, guys. Running some big meats on it. These are going to be the race tires. He'll have a set of street tires for this, but big shout out, you guys, to Viking Performance, Quick Performance, and the guys over at Church Boys for such a solid product. I've got everything bolted up. I still got to go ahead and tighten these bolts up, and while I'm at it, I forgot to cut that bracket off, so the tires will be coming back off, so I can do that. Still waiting on a rear end, so I'm just going to actually tape this up so nothing gets in there, gets all dirty, crusty. We got the subframe connectors in, and then all right, guys, sorry, my video cut off. I don't know what happened. iPhone problems. But the front is all dialed, guys. Everything's bolted up. Like I said, with the supplied hardware that I had, everything's all adjusted up. Obviously, once it gets the motor and trans in, we're gonna go ahead and fix that big crater of a hole. But yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed that last video. I tried to get as much as I could, and yeah, we got Jimbo over here working on the Camaro. This thing is coming along nicely. We got the outer wheelhouse in, we got most of the quarter out. We're missing the whole back of the car, but Jimbo knows what he's doing. We got the new panel underneath. Got the majority of the quarter out of this. We had to replace the drop down panel like I was telling you guys. So that's in there. Everything's just fitted up, guys. We're about ready to start doing some welding here soon. So stay tuned for this project.